they sweet us. As they sweet us, Mama, independent. If they sweet us, as they sweet us, Mama, independent. Or does he want to? He said. Okay. Today we came as requested, and the judge took the matter. We are here simply to request for the judge to decline jurisdiction, but in his own of May for the continuation of the matter, and that is where we are. But I can assure you and assure Nigerians and the teeming supporters of Labour Party that we will appeal this ruling. It's not judgment, ruling. We will appeal the ruling because we know that we will never get justice from this court. So we're going ahead to appeal the ruling, and that is what Labour Party is standing for now. Thank you. My name is Obi Oraifo, Acting National Public Secretary for Labour Party. Thank you.
My name is George Ibrahim. I'm counsel to Martin Sesikpali and the 7 others that have filed this suit against Abure and 4 others. This morning, the matter was slated for ruling on the preliminary objection that was filed by the counsel to first and second defendants. That is Abure and the national secretary of the party, who have been asked by the court to stop parading themselves as national officers of the party. They brought the objection on 5 basic grounds. And the court today, in a very erudite and succinct ruling, dismissed them on every point of the objection. The court held that the case before it is competent and that the court has the jurisdiction to determine the right of the parties as sought in the originating summons. We try to, since the originating summons is ripe for hearing, for the fact that all parties in the matter have joined issues, we try to urge on my lord, the presiding judge, to hear the originating summons and looking at the issues that have been coming daily in the news about Labour Party, so that the rights of the parties can be quickly determined, so that we know where we are and the party will know where it is in the affairs of things in this country. But the trial judge, in his wisdom, adjourned to Friday, the 19th of May, for hearing of the originating summons. So until then, we'll see that everything that has to do with this matter will be resolved. But in the main, the order of the court restraining Mr. Abure and as the national chairman of the Labour Party, national secretary, national treasurer, and national organizing secretary, still remains that anybody who goes ahead to do any business with them will be doing so at his or her own peril, because as they stand, they have no legitimacy to represent the party on any front.
I represented Labour Party today, and as you can see, the acting national chairman of the party was in court, Alhaji Bashiru Apapa Lamidi. And the court today pronounced very clearly that when a political party is in peace, they do not need the intervention of court. But once there is a crisis in the political party, a crack that makes it impossible, that makes the center no longer to hold, that invitation by any of the interested party for the court to intervene will be entertained by court. So contrary to their position that the court lacked jurisdiction to entertain the matter, contrary to their position that the matter is not justiciable, my lord in its infinite wisdom today said no, that the world cannot watch the party crumble without coming or stepping in to intervene. So today we thank the court most sincerely for dismissing the frivolous preliminary objection they brought to challenge the jurisdiction of the court. So that was what happened today, and we are very happy. The party is happy, and we wanted to go on with the case so that with the world we know who is the authentic chairman or leadership of the party. But they came up and said they were not ready. So we want the world to know that they are the ones that are now delaying the case. It is not longer on our part because we wanted that matter to be determined urgently. But they said they were not ready. So in order not for them to go back and begin to shout that the court shut them out, so we have to align with them today to say, well, let the court give them a date. And so the court has asked us to return back again on Friday next week. So that is what transpired today. Monday Mawa for Labour Party.
I'm Alhaji Bashiru Lamidi Apapa, yes, the acting national chairman of Labour Party. Yes, I am so pleased that justice has taken place today, because under normal circumstances we begin to doubt, but today we are happy that the judge has acted promptly and reasonably. Yes. There's no doubt that I am now in charge. It has now been confirmed by the court, yes, that I have the right to be in charge, yes, until another order is taking place. Yes. As of today, I'm the chairman, acting chairman of the party, and anybody who parades himself, apart from myself, is acting legally. Yes. And I want to tell the whole world that come next Friday, the real suit will start, when the issue of forgery, conspiracy, and so on and so forth will commence. And from there, we know if actually that offense has been committed or not. I want to use this opportunity again to tell the whole world that the tribunal that is going on, I want to invite all the lawyers that are in charge, that are representing Labour Party, that they should come for briefing. They should come and give me updates of what is happening in that tribunal within the next 48 hours. Because right now, I'm the person on the driver's seat, and I'm fully in charge. I'm giving this opportunity for them to know that this is the order. Thank you so much, Mr. President. Thank you.